Hey there, olive oil lovers! In today's video, we're diving into 3 incredible extra virgin olive oils that are sure to elevate your cooking. We've got the Atlas 1LT Cold Press from Morocco, known for its rich polyphenols and delicate flavor. The Pompeian Smooth EVOO, perfect for sautéing and stir-frying. And the Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil, a Mediterranean classic with a bold, fruity taste. So, whether you're drizzling, sautéing, or dipping, stay tuned to find out which of these premium oils deserves a place in your kitchen. Number 3. Today, we were talking about a timeless classic, Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil. With over 150 years of Mediterranean heritage, this rich and fruity olive oil is a favorite for chefs and home cooks alike. Let's see what makes it stand out. Bertolli's EVOO is cold-pressed and unrefined, meaning it's pure, packed with flavor, and free from unnecessary processing. This 16.9 FEL Oz bottle delivers a rich, full-bodied, fruity taste, capturing the essence of olives at their best. The flavor is bold yet delicate, with a distinct fruity finish that'll elevate any dish. It's perfect for drizzling over salads, mixing into vinaigrettes, or using as a dip for fresh bread. The rich taste makes it a versatile addition to any meal. With a 392 degrees Fahrenheit smoke point, Bertolli EVOO is perfect for light sautéing or even higher heat cooking, but I especially love it for salad dressings, marinades, and adding that finishing touch to pasta dishes. Its versatility in the kitchen is unmatched. The dark bottle helps preserve freshness, protecting the oil from light that can degrade its flavor. And with Bertolli's legacy and reputation for quality and authenticity, you know you're getting a top-tier product every time. Whether you're dressing a salad or cooking up a delicious pasta, Bertolli Extra Virgin olive oil's rich taste and Mediterranean heritage make it a kitchen essential. For a reliable, flavorful EVOO, you can't go wrong with Bertolli. Ready to bring this Mediterranean favorite into your kitchen? Check out the link in the description to grab your bottle. Number 2. If you're looking for an olive oil that's smooth, versatile, and perfect for everyday cooking, let's talk about Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Crafted by the olive oil people with over 100 years of experience, Pompeian Smooth EVOO is made from first cold-pressed olives, grown and nurtured by their family of farmers. This 48 full Oz bottle is packed with authenticity, certified by the North American Olive Oil Association. What I love about this oil is its smooth, delicate taste. It's not too overpowering, which makes it perfect for sautéing, stir-frying, and drizzling over dishes. Whether you're cooking up a stir-fry or just need a light drizzle for a salad, this EVOO complements without overwhelming the flavors of your dish. And it's not just about taste. This oil is naturally gluten-free, non-GMO, and kosher. So it's a great choice for a wide variety of dietary needs. Plus, with its polyphenols and healthy fats, it's a heart-healthy choice for your meals. Pompeian has been committed to quality since 1906, and you can taste that in every bottle. This first cold-pressed oil is a true testament to the care and craftsmanship that goes into each batch. For a smooth, versatile EVOO that's perfect for everyday use and packed with quality, Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a winner. Whether for stir-frying, sautéing, or finishing your dishes, this oil delivers every time. Number 1. Looking for a premium quality extra virgin olive oil that delivers on taste, health benefits, and authenticity? Meet the Atlas 1LT Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil, a Michelin-starred favorite straight from the Atlas Mountains of Morocco. Atlas Olive Oils brings us a 100% organic, cold-pressed EVOO, sourced from a single-family farm in Morocco. The high-altitude climate and rich soil of the Atlas Mountains create perfectly ripened olives that result in an exceptionally smooth and flavorful oil. Right away, you'll notice a delicately complex aroma, almonds, fresh herbs, and hints of sweet bananas, lemon, and basil. And the taste? Smooth, slightly peppery, and well-balanced, making it perfect for drizzling over salads, dipping with bread, or even finishing gourmet dishes. This EVOO is rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants, known for supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. Plus, it's free from additives and chemicals, ensuring pure, natural goodness in every drop. What sets Atlas olive oil apart? It's not just about being organic. It's about single pressing, sustainable farming, and Michelin-starred trust. Yes, 10 Michelin-starred restaurants use this very oil, making it a top choice for professional chefs and home cooks alike. If you're looking for an authentic, high-quality, and health-packed EVOO, Atlas Cold Press. Extra virgin olive oil is a must-try. Whether for everyday cooking or fine dining, this oil delivers unmatched purity and taste. Want to elevate your cooking game? Check out the link in the description to grab your bottle today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, how do you use olive oil in your cooking? See you next time.